welcome to this Windows and Computer channel. And of course, we're updating the situation with the April 2019 update. It's still not official for most people, but today it's apparent that there is a little glitch in the install phase of the build 18362. That is the April 2019 update, and it's kind of interesting. So what's happening is, I told you yesterday you can install it early if you want by getting this build, but I had, of course, cautioned that, this is depending on if everything is all right and nothing bad's happening. What we're learning right now is that build 18362 has been removed from Slowring. So this is interesting because to do this move, it means something isn't just quite right with the build. So a number of people, of course, have said that basically there is a issue with the install of the April 2019 update, which is very much the April, build 18362. It's still in the fast ring though, so we're wondering if what exactly is going to happen. Is the fix going to be just a small fix that will be sent through a cumulative update? Will we see once again, and this happened in the past, the official build is there, but there's a bug, and they're going to release another build to fix it. And now that's what we're wondering here. So that's why yesterday I said, if you want to get it now, you can do so, but got to be careful because you never know what could happen. It was apparent from the comments that I had on the channel here and on my Insider channel that there's quite a number of people that were having install problems with the April 2019 update of build 18362. I had no issues, and it installed well on two of my machines that I used, the Insider machine that is on that build, and I updated my main computer to this build without a glitch. What happens to those that have problems? It seems that it might come from the fact that if you're on certain builds, like 18356 apparently, you start installing and then you get in a kind of a reboot loop. So something's wrong with the way it's actually updating. So it's right now what's happening is that not everybody in the Slowring has that removed, but certain people right now that might be on a certain build number has this update removed. And it's always scary because you're thinking, are we going to have a repeat of the October 2018 update or the April 2018 update in which the release happened, then was removed, and it took a lot of time before the October 2018 update finally came back? These are things that you look at and you're like, whoa, are we once again getting into some issues here? For sure, we're going to keep you guys updated on this situation here. And this is why I always say don't force install. And even though I showed you yesterday you could have it before everybody else, you know what? Just wait for it. It's not something you need to have. If you're of course, if you're a tech enthusiast and you want to see it before everybody, it's cool as long as you understand the problems that might arise from the install of this. But for the rest, we're looking at the situation. Of course, it should reappear at some point in the Slowring, and you know what? Maybe we'll have a build because it's just going to fix it and say, hey, well, we've updated the build number or something. So anyways, we're following the situation, and we're going to keep everybody updated on what's happening with build 18362. That is officially the RTM for April 2019 update of Windows 10. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.